Alright, this is for, I'm guessing any 2000 to 2004 or 5 Chevy GMC. The ones that have the Bose audio system, aftermarket radio installation. This is on a Yukon Denali XL. The thing was, we hooked up this aftermarket radio when we weren't getting any sound. Other videos were saying to tap into the pink wire from the other harness. Let me see. They were saying to tap into this one, splice it, and hook up the blue wire to that. None of that was working. Some were saying cut off the amp, the connection to the factory amp. None of that was working. I didn't want to mess with all that. So what I did was I grabbed the regular cable, pretty much a jumper. I hooked it up to the 2 red battery positive, and then to the blue coming from the harness, and I got sound. Also, I had to disconnect the 2 green wires because when I had them connected, it would say amp overload, or I wouldn't get sound either way. So I disconnected those. All the speakers work fine. I have sound. So again, I just grabbed the jumper cable and put it from the 2 positive to the blue on the harness to the truck, not from the radio. See, this blue is still not connected. So hopefully that helps some of y'all out. Thanks for watching.